Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to break down how you can launch a full-on e-commerce business with literally zero startup costs. And we're getting our info straight from a creator who's built not one, but two separate six-figure businesses using this exact method.
So, let's just start with something we've probably all felt. You go online for advice, and you get funneled towards these really expensive platforms. And, as the quote says, a lot of those recommendations, they're sponsored. That means they might not be the best choice for you, especially when you're just starting out.
And that right there leads to the biggest, most important question for anyone with a dream and an empty wallet. How in the world do you build a business when you have no money to invest up front?
Yeah, the usual way of doing things, it kind of puts you in a tough spot. You're expected to sign up for these monthly subscription fees before you've even made your first sale, before you even know if your idea is going to work. And that financial risk, plus just being completely overwhelmed by all the choices, it leads to what they call analysis paralysis. The fear of making a wrong, expensive move is so real, it can stop you cold. And your great idea? It just sits there, never seeing the light of day.
But here's the thing, there is another way, a path that gets rid of that initial financial risk completely. It's a proven method, it's not sponsored, and it is built for beginners. So the person we're getting this from, Isabella from the channel Baddie in Business. She didn't just get lucky once with this method. She successfully built two totally separate online businesses using this exact free approach.
And both of them, they blew up into six-figure businesses. Now, this is so important because it just proves that starting with $0 doesn't mean you're limiting your potential for huge success down the road. I love this quote because it really gets to the why behind all this. There's no hidden agenda here, no course to buy at the end. The goal is just to share what works and help people get started without those financial roadblocks.
So, what is this magic-free solution? The platform is called Ecwid. And yeah, it's a powerful 100% free website builder that works for anything. Dropshipping, handmade stuff, you name it. And the best part? Anyone, anywhere in the world can use it.
Okay, let's get into the nuts and bolts. We're going to walk through the absolute must-do steps to get your store up and running. And believe it or not, our source says you can have a live working store in about 10 minutes flat.
Seriously, it all comes down to just three simple things. You list your first product, you set up how you're going to get paid, and you figure out your shipping. That's it. Do those three things and you have a fully operational store.
Okay, so check this out. This slide shows you the transformation. Whether you're dropshipping or making your own stuff, the idea is the same. You take the basic info, like a messy title from a supplier or just the raw specs, and you polish it. You turn it into a clean, professional-looking product page with awesome photos and a description that actually sells.
Now, for the best part, getting paid. It is so simple. The platform plugs right into the big payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Our source really recommends setting up Stripe right away because it just gives your store that instant legit and secure feeling when people go to check out.
And shipping, yeah, you've got total control there too. You can set a simple flat rate, or you can offer free shipping, which is, a super powerful marketing tool, especially if you're drop shipping.
Okay, so having a store that works is great, but we all know it has to look professional, right? A trustworthy design is what turns a casual visitor into a paying customer. So let's see how you do that.
And don't think that free means ugly or basic. This platform actually gives you some surprisingly powerful design tools. We're talking pre-built themes, lots of ways to customize things, and most importantly, dedicated spots to add those crucial trust signals.
So here's the pro tip. You've got to use these features. Just adding one or two customer testimonials and linking out to your social media accounts are probably the two fastest ways to build credibility and make your brand new store look like it's been around for a while.
All right, we're at the final hurdle. And honestly, this one is less about the tech and more about what's going on in your head. It's all about getting over that self-doubt that stops so many people from ever hitting launch.
This slide just nails the number one thing that holds people back, that free domain name. So many beginners worry that a URL that ends in something like .company.site looks unprofessional, but that's focusing on the completely wrong thing.
And listen, our source couldn't be clearer about this, and she's got the six-figure success to back it up. The URL? It's a tiny detail. She says nobody cared. Her sales were amazing because what actually makes you money is your marketing and how you connect with people.
So here's the bottom line.
Please, do not let a tiny, optional $10 a year expense, something you can easily change later, stop you from grabbing this massive opportunity to start for free right now.
So the money excuse is gone. The tools are right there, ready to go. The path is clear. There's only one question left, and it's the really fun one. What are you going to create?